If you want to make money on your YouTube channel, one of the best ways to do that is to actually sell something. But I know sometimes that feels a little uncomfortable, a little bit slimy, but it actually is a great way of offering more value to your audience than they would have had access to before. This is Owen Video from Video Marketing School, and he's going to share with you guys how to do that well on your channel so people actually consume what you want to deliver. Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer. Welcome to Video Creators. We are all about helping you grow your YouTube audience so you can spread your message, reach people, change their lives, and you need to make money to do that. And Owen Video is really good at helping clients and creators like yourself do that. Tell us a little bit about you and your channel real quick.
At Owen Video, we teach business owners and marketers how to use video to grow their sales and grow their company. And we work with a lot of creators and putting together sponsorships and connecting them with businesses in the area. And we love what we do. We love the creator universe, and we want to see you guys just have a ton of success.
So when they want to have success with sales, what advice would you give them?
It's a little different, right? And we work with so many different content creators on actually selling on the channel. We do kind of get that, it doesn't feel comfortable, it doesn't feel right. And part of the reason is that you might be trying to sell in a content video. So one of the first things that we suggest is you've got to know sort of your video hierarchy. You've got your content videos, and these are made inter-platform, no third-party links really. It's all watch another video, subscribe, like, and do inter-YouTube engagement objectives. Then you're gonna have maybe 1 in 5 of these videos that'll be an actual sales video, and maybe you're trying to move product for a sponsor, or perhaps you have your own product that you've built a channel around and you wanna sell that more. What you wanna do is you wanna create a dedicated sales video, and you want to follow a very specific format. At the Video Marketing School, we teach the GREAT video formula, right? GREAT. And that's where you first grab attention. You've got to really get the audience to come in. R is restate the main problem that your product or the service solves. That brings us into E, explain your solution. Now, notice I didn't say explain the solution or explain a solution. You've got to explain your solution in a way that only you could provide. You've really got to just say, this product will solve your problem, and here's how we do it. Then you've got to supplement that with A, actual proof. Use numbers when you're providing actual proof, and try to provide up to 3 different proof statements. And then you finally, T, you tell them what to do. In this video, you're not asking them to subscribe, you're not asking them to like, you're not asking them to comment, you're asking them to click on the link in the description box, or maybe it's click on the iCard, right? So that they can go to this website and make the purchase. If you follow that format, you'll find that it fits really well into storytelling, but it also just gives you a format so that you can sell on your video without being salesy. You'll see a rise in your income, which gives you more freedom to focus on your art and your craft, and that's what you want to do.
Would you recommend that someone dives straight into that from the very beginning of the video, or should they like deliver good content, deliver good value, and then that's like the end of the video, the great format, or is that like the whole video?
I would say no content. Yeah, I would say that in this video you are going to sell the thing. You might want to dress up the pitch a little bit in the GRE part of and make it feel like content. In this sales video, 1 in 5, you're going to say, hey, I know you love my videos because you've got this issue in your life, and we actually have a great service that we offer. I don't even know if you knew we offered it, right? And it's where we help you do X, Y, Z. And Jim, my good buddy, he had this numerical result with it, and so did Sally. And if you want to experience the same, then click on the link in the description box. You're going to love it, and I'll see you there. It should be a good 3-minute video, right? Maybe a little bit longer, and I think you'll get good results with that.
What would you say to the creator who's like, that sounds great for someone who's solving a problem, but I have a gaming channel, or I'm vlogging, or I am...
Can I speak to you? Can I speak to you? Yeah, the vlogger or the gaming channel. Like you serve a very valuable role. We go through our lives in sort of this gray oatmeal, like I gotta go to work, get a job, and do all this stuff. And you know where they find joy? Watching your video. It's like I gotta go to work and I gotta do my thing, but tonight I'm gonna go watch Gamer 6. That is the value. You think of yourself as strictly an artist and not as a medicine. I mean, your art is medicine to people. It brings them joy and it lifts them up. Give your audience a chance to move forward with you in a more intimate way. Do one video a month that just says, hey, I'd love for you to join me in Patreon. Here's what you're gonna get. Here's the value. And if you wanna be a bigger part of my life and the vlogging that I'm doing, then join this group. I think you'll find that your audience actually appreciate it. You know, they appreciate it. They go, I didn't know you were doing that.
So what you're saying is you're still selling something as an entertainer, but what you're selling is like community, it's relationship, it's like a mission or something that we want to do
Vision,
together.
even purpose. Yeah, I love all of those words. You got to understand that there are thousands, if not millions of people out there that want to hear that message. You've also got to learn the business side. You've also got to learn how to incorporate a business model into your passion. So you have a pathway for your viewers to become a part of your life by becoming a part of your business. And now you're all invested in that vision. Not just vested, invested. They've put money up that says, you know, Gamer6, I'm down for what you do and I want to be a part of your vision.
I think you guys as creators just need to kind of think about, like, I'm not actually just creating vlogs or I'm not just creating a gaming channel, but I'm actually creating community. I think the way you need to think about sales is not in terms of like I'm asking for money, but actually in terms of I'm giving you more of what you want to consume from watching my channel in the first place.
Yes.
Part of this for you guys to get the results as you want, you need to invest.
You need to.
And you need to commit. And if it hurts your wallet a little bit, you'll be more likely to go through the process or be more involved in the community or whatever it is that you're selling to get the results that they want.
100% agree. There's no ifs, ands, or behinds about it. Cash equals accountability, and your people should be investing into you so that it creates this connection. There's a sacrifice, right? Something was given and exchanged. That is the foundation of all success since the beginning of time. You've got to find a way to make it work for you.
There's a lot more to learn about this topic, and you can learn a lot more over on Owen Video's channel. There's a link down below, and you learn more about the business of video marketing over there. And if you want to hear the full conversation, there's a link also in the description below that goes to the full podcast episode. And thanks for hanging out here, guys, and go check out Owen on his channel. See you guys over there. Bye.